Si J. Valencia ang operator po ng DTF sa Sarpi Tuigiraw. Ito po yung DTF machine po namin na nagamit ng 6 na araw na may total meters na 25. Ito naman yung printer head. Ang huling palit po ito noong September last year. Ito naman yung copy na may 80% good condition. Head clean. Nozzle check. Ito naman yung ink tank area. Ang system level is tama lang. First tank na nilinis kahapon. ABR. Ground wire. Ito naman yung aming used ink. Unused. DTF powder. And DTF film. Ito naman ang aming daily output record. Updated naman. Weekly consumable. Consumable withdrawal. And daily maintenance.